Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the 15th lecture of Artificial Intelligence. I hope you are fine and enjoying these video lectures of AI. I am Muhammad Umar Farooq, lecturer in Computer Sciences, University of Education, Lahore. So if you have any question regarding any topic of this course, you can send me an email. Inshallah, I will try my best to answer your questions. So in our previous lecture, we talked about the concept of local search. The local search is which evaluate and modify one or more current states rather than systematically exploring the path from initial state to goal state, as we discussed in our previous lecture, that the focus of third chapter is to find the path from initial state to goal state, but the local search technique evaluate and modify only current states. The another property of this search technique is it's good for those people, those person which requires only the solution instead of path. So कोई भी बंदा अगर हमारे पास जस्ट solution में interested है, तो क्या हमारे पास जो solution क्या आता है उसमें interested है, तो हम local search technique को use करेंगे. The local search method modify or evaluate on the current states. That's why it requires less memory, as well as it move only towards the neighboring states, neighbors of that node. That node mean current node, neighbors of the current node. So in our previous lecture, we also talked about the different types of local search techniques, which are the hill climbing, beam search, genetic algorithm. We discussed about the hill climbing. The hill climbing, जैसा कि नाम से जाहिर है, तो इसकी कुछ एग्जांपल, कुछ जो बनाए गए इसके एल्गोरिदम डिज़ाइन किए गए हैं, वो भी हिल क्लाइंबिंग को मद्देनजर रखते हुए किए गए हैं. So look at these properties of hill climbing. That if the goal state is at the top of hill and our agent, our robot is blindfolded or blind, at each step it will try to reduce the remaining distance or to reach at distance to reach at the goal state. ये हर स्टेप पे इसकी फोकस क्या होगा कि मैं जो मेरा रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस है वो कम से कम हो, या जो हाइट अगर मैं गेन कर रहा हूँ तो वो मेरी हाइट हमेशा गेन करता जाऊँ. तो ये हमेशा हर स्टेप के ऊपर ये कोशिश करेगा कि मैं मेरा अगला स्टेप जो है वो पिछले स्टेप से अच्छा होना चाहिए. सो in the same way, the hill climbing search technique know about only the current state. That's why we can say that hill climbing search technique work with local domain. So the last property of this search technique is the hill climbing also use the heuristic measurement. That's why we can say that hill climbing is also the example of greedy search technique. So we solved this problem in our previous lecture, and we talked about some weaknesses of hill climbing search technique, which are the local maxima, local minima, plateau problem, and the ridge problem. So there are three different weaknesses of this search technique. We discussed this technique, this weakness, and local maxima or local minima in our previous lecture. So मैं जस्ट इसको दोबारा फिर ओवरव्यू कर लेता हूँ. आज हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल डिस्कस ऑल ऑफ दीज वीकनेसेस एंड वी विल आल्सो कवर एन एग्जांपल, एक पजल प्रॉब्लम, जिससे हम क्या करेंगे, इसकी जो एक्सप्लेनेशन है वो ज़्यादा वाज़ेह हो जाएगी. So before going into the detail of these weaknesses, I would like to discuss the hill climbing algorithm again. So define the current state as an initial state. So the second point is loop until the goal state is achieved or no more operators can be applied on the current state. So there are two conditions to terminate this algorithm. If we achieved our goal state, or if we can not apply our operators on any state, so then we can also terminate our loop or algorithm. So apply an operator to current state and get a new state. Compare the new state with the goal. Quit if the goal state is achieved. Evaluate. So these 2 points are very important. So evaluates new state with the heuristic function. So we will use the heuristic function to compare the current state with new states. So if the new state is closer to the goal state, mean the remaining distance is less than the current state, एंड इन द सेम वे हाइट जो है वो हमारी गेन होती है. अगर उस सूरत में भी हमारा जो रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस है वो कम हो जाएगा, तो दी क्या हो जाएगा, न्यू स्टेट जो होगी वो क्लोजर हो जाएगी गोल स्टेट की तरफ से. So if the new state is closer to the goal compared to the current state, हम करंट स्टेट के साथ भी कंपेयर करेंगे उसको, करंट स्टेट से भी वो अच्छी होनी चाहिए. Update the current state. So if the new state is not closer to the goal state, और जो कि हम कंपेयर करेंगे करंट स्टेट के साथ भी, और उस वक्त हम क्या करेंगे, हम करंट स्टेट को अपडेट नहीं कर सकते. तो दैट्स वाई वी कैन नॉट अप्लाई एन ऑपरेटर, जो कि हमारे पास न्यू स्टेट्स नहीं होंगी, न्यू स्टेट को हम करंट स्टेट के ऊपर नहीं लेके जाएंगे, और जो कि हमारे पास ये इस तरह से ऑपरेटर न्यू स्टेट के या करंट स्टेट जो हमने अपडेट करनी होती है उसके ऊपर लगाते हैं तो नई स्टेट्स जनरेट होती हैं, वो नहीं होगा. तो ये साइकिल क्या हो जाएगा, ये ब्रेक हो जाएगा. सो दैट्स वाई just look at this problem again, local maxima problem or local minima problem. So just this is our starting point. At each point क्या होगा, नई स्टेट्स जो जनरेट होंगी वो हमारे पास जो है वो हाइट गेन करती जाएगी. इन द सेम वे एट दिस पॉइंट the next state will not gain the height. In the same way the previous जो point will also not gain the height. So that's why it will consider at this top position. So the agent will consider itself कि मैं जो है वो टॉप पोजीशन के ऊपर पहुंच चुका हूँ. और ये क्यों इस तरह से कंसीडर करता है, बिकॉज आवर रोबोट इज ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड और ब्लाइंड. सो जो कि हमें यहाँ पे इस लोकेशन को नहीं देख सकता, इस लोकेशन को नहीं देख सकता, बोर्ड हमारे पास ब्लाइंड है, इस वजह से वो अपने आप को कंसीडर करेगा कि मैं आई एम एट मैक्सिमम लोकेशन, आई एम एट द टॉप ऑफ हिल. सो लेकिन क्या होगा, एक्चुअल में वो नहीं होगा टॉप के ऊपर. सो दैट्स व्हाई द प्रॉब्लम इज लोकल मैक्सिमा, कि लोकली वो अपनी मैक्सिमम पोजीशन पे होगा, बट एज ए होल प्रॉब्लम में वो ग्लोबली वो मैक्सिमम लोकेशन के ऊपर नहीं है. सो just look at this slide. The local maxima or local minima, a state which is better than all of its neighbors but not better than some other states which is not directly connected to that state. For example, at this top position, this is a better position if we compare its neighbor. So but it is not a good position at if we compare at this point with this point, जो कि हमारे पास जो कि डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड नहीं है. अगर ये डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड होता तो हो सकता है कि वो हमारे पास उस तरह से पहुंच जाता है, यानी कि एक सीक्वेंस के साथ ये ऊपर की तरफ अगर हमारे पास जो है वो ये प्रॉब्लम चलती होती. सो द अनदर प्रॉब्लम इज प्लेटिव प्रॉब्लम. फ्लैट area of the search space in which all the neighbor states have the same values. So just look at this algorithm again. We evaluate new states with the heuristic function and compare it with the current state. So if the current state is not closer to the goal state, the value of new state is equal to the current state, so it will also not update the current state. So हमारा algorithm भी क्या हो जाएगा, again हमारे पास जो है वो terminate हो जाएगा. Just look at this point कि हमारे पास जो है वो इस जगह पे कोई भी 2 3 4 स्टेट्स आप ले लें तो इस जगह पे आगे वो स्टक हो जाएगा, क्योंकि वो नई स्टेट्स कोई भी अपडेट नहीं होगी. So this is our local maxima problem, and in the same way this is our plateau problem. तो plateau problem के अंदर क्या है कि फ्लैट सर्विस हमारे पास आ जाती है. And the third problem is ridge problem, creating a sequence of local maxima, but all of them are not directly connected. So just look at this point. There are multiple local maxima points. So just look at, this is our local maxima, this is a local maxima, this is also a local maxima. All of them are local maxima but have same height, but all of them are not directly connected to each other. So हमारा रोबोट जो है वो इधर जाएगा, चाहे वो इस जगह पे आ जाए, चाहे वो इस जगह पे आ जाए, चाहे वो इस जगह पे आ जाए, वो ये डिसाइड नहीं कर पाएगा कि मैं ग्लोबली मैक्सिमा के ऊपर पहुंच चुका हूँ या नहीं पहुंचा. तो दैट्स वाई this is a third problem, which is also a specialized form of local maxima. So just look at this slide again. ये भी हमारे पास जो है वो ridge problem, that this is also represents the ridge problem. So all of these three points have same height. So our agent will also confuse that जो है वो मैं आया कि ग्लोबल मैक्सिमा के ऊपर हूँ या लोकल मैक्सिमा के ऊपर हूँ. सो ये जज नहीं कर पाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई this is also our third problem. So these three weaknesses of hill climbing algorithm: local maxima, plateau problem, and the ridge problem. So I will solve this problem, 8 puzzle problem, using hill climbing. So during the solution of this problem, we will observe the weakness local maxima problem during this solution. So here is our initial state, the 8 puzzle problem. There are 9 boxes, 8 of them have digits from 1 to 8. So just look at the arrangement of these digits: 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 3, 6, 8. And in our final state, so just look at the difference, look at the arrangement of these digits: 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6. So we will use the heuristic values as we discussed in our previous slides, that hill climbing search technique use the heuristic values to solve their problems. So for this problem, there are two ways to calculate the heuristic values as we discussed in our previous lectures. So I will use the first method to calculate the heuristic value, which is the number of misplaced tiles as compared to the goal state. For example, 2 is not at their actual location as given by as provided in the final state. So in the same way, 7 is not at their actual location as provided in the final state, final state. So in the same way, the heuristic value, the H1, the method we are using to solve this problem is an admissible heuristic. So what is the admissible? We discussed this concept in our previous lecture. Just I recall this concept that any heuristic value which is not overestimated as their actual values, we can say that that heuristic is admissible. So the H1, the method H1 is an admissible heuristic because it clear that any tile that is out of the place must be moved at least once. So this method, the heuristic values which we are calculating by using this method will be our admissible heuristic. So just look at this slide. The heuristic value for this problem for this initial state is 5, because there are total 5 tiles which are not at their actual location as provided in our final state: 2, 4, 7, 5, 8. So all of these are not their actual location as provided in our final state, but one is at the same location as given in our final state. 3 and 6 have the same location as provided at our final state. So the heuristic value is 5. Then I will apply all set of actions on our initial state. So just look at this slide. I will consider the initial state as a root node. So for root node, the heuristic value is 5. I put the goal state over here. So just look at this slide. I apply all of these 4 set of actions over here. 4 set of action over here. So just look at this point, that when I apply the up action, so I just move the empty box upward direction, and 2 is moved towards the down direction. So in the same way for down action, I just move the empty box in downward, and the value of 6 जो है इसको मैंने थोड़ा सा ऊपर की तरफ ले गया हूँ. So in the same way for left and right. So I apply all of these actions on this current state. So these new 4 states are generated. So मैं अब next किस state के ऊपर जाऊँगा? So मैं क्या करूँगा? मैं सबसे पहले heuristic values calculate करूँगा. So I will calculate the heuristic values for these new states. So just look at this point, that 2, 4, 5, 7, 8 are not at their actual location as provided by our final state. So that's why the heuristic value for this state is 5. In the same way, for this state, the heuristic value is 4. In the same way, for this state, the heuristic value is 6. In the same way, for this state, the 4, 5, 2, 7, 8. So all of these five tiles are not at their actual location, but 1, 3, 6 are at their actual location as provided our final state. So the heuristic value for this state is 5. So अब मैं किस state को select करूँगा? Obviously I will compare this value, the heuristic value, with our current state, और मैं देखूंगा कि ये गोल के करीब जा रहा है या नहीं. तो गोल हमारा क्या होगा? ऐसी स्टेट जहाँ पे मेरा ह्यूरिस्टिक वैल्यू क्या हो, 0 हो जाए. सो जस्ट लुक एट द एल्गोरिदम अगेन. सो आई विल कंपेयर, just look at this algorithm. Evaluate the new states with the heuristic function. So I calculate the heuristic values by using the heuristic function. I will compare the heuristic value with the current state. So मैंने इसको compare किया. हमारे जो current state है उसकी value हमारे पास 5 थी. जो नई states आई हैं उनमें से एक ऐसी state थी जिसकी value 4 थी. So if the newer state, जो नई state generate हुई है, is closer to the closer to the goal compared to the current state. So as compared to our, just look at this slide again, कि हमारे पास जो ये जो जनरेट होके आई है ये 4 this state is closer to the goal as compared to this current states. That's why we will update the current state, and this state will become our current state according to our algorithm. So I will move in this direction, and I will apply all of these actions on this state. So in the same way मेरे पास जो ये नई states generate हो गई, मैं सारे के सारे set of action इसके ऊपर लगाऊंगा. So just look at this point. This is a very important point. When I apply up action, so empty box move upwards. So in the same way for down direction, and I cannot apply the left action because जो already जो box है वो मेरे पास बिल्कुल left direction के ऊपर है. I will apply the right direction. So just look at the heuristic values. So the heuristic value is 5. Heuristic value for this state is 5. Heuristic value for this state is 5. So just look at the algorithm again. So just मैं इसको open कर लूँ. So we evaluate new states with the heuristic function and compare it with the current state. If newer state is closer to the goal compared to the current state, as compared to the current state, कि हमारे पास जो नई states जो generate होके आई हैं वो अगर goal के करीब हैं as compared to our current state. This is our current state now. So these new states are not closer to the goal state because the heuristic value for this state is 5, 5, 5, but for this state is the heuristic value is 4. So this state is closer to the goal, but all of these newly generated states are not closer to the goal state as compared to this state. So ये हमारे पास एक local maxima की problem हमारे पास आती है. So just look at this point again. If I move at this direction, if I move at this direction, any of these directions, मैं जिस direction की तरफ मर्जी move कर जाऊँ, सारी की सारी heuristic values मेरे से ज़्यादा हैं, और then I will consider this node कि मैं आप maximum location के ऊपर पहुँच चुका हूँ, यही मेरी goal state है. So this is our local maxima problem for hill climbing. So ये आगे की तरफ move नहीं करेगा और अपने आप को यही consider कर लेगा कि यही मेरे पास जो है वो goal है. This is our approximate solution. So this is because we are not going towards the exact solution. So this is our approximate solution. जैसे कि हमने डिस्कस किया था कि लोकल सर्च जो है वो अप्रोक्सीमेट सोल्यूशन जो है वो सर्च करती है बजाय इसके वो एग्जैक्ट सोल्यूशन को फाइंड करे. So just look at this slide, the next slide, the solution of hill climbing weaknesses. So there are many solutions to solve this problem, but I write the two solution for to solve these weaknesses. So just random initialization of starting state, and the second is the jump. So just look at this point, that if I change the starting state, for example, this is our starting state, just I change the starting state from this point to at this point. So at this point, this is our new starting state. For example, new random number generated, हमने दोबारा नया random number generate किया. So जो random number generate हुआ वो इस location के ऊपर है. So ये अब क्या करेगा? This our robot, our agent move at this direction. So हमारा जो robot है वो इस जगह पे आ जाएगा. So that is the another local maxima, but this local maxima is better than this local maxima. In the same way, if I generate this, मैं आगे दोबारा फिर random number generate करता हूँ और the random number again I get the new random number which the location for that random number is here. So in the same way I can find the global maxima by changing the random number. In the same way, for the second problem, second solution is jump. For example, if I am at the local maxima, just jump from this location to that location. So हम randomly jump करेंगे, so it is possible that I can get the another local maxima or global maxima which is better than previous local maxima. So there are two solutions to overcome these weaknesses which I have mentioned in my lecture. So in this video lecture we talked about the weaknesses of hill climbing search technique, which are the local maxima, plateau and ridge problem, and we solved this 8 puzzle problem by using the hill climbing technique. We also observed the local maxima problem during the solution of this problem. At the end of this lecture we discussed the solution of hill climbing weaknesses, which are the random initialization of starting state, and the second solution is jump. So I hope you enjoy this video lecture. If you have any question, you can send me an email. Inshallah I will try my best to answer your question. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.